Alright, grab a cup of coffee because we're diving right into the world of customizing Canvas apps in Power Apps. You know, those versatile tools that give businesses the power to build tailored solutions quickly to address their unique challenges. Imagine you are looking to improve efficiency within your company, and a custom Canvas app is the magic potion you need. Now, let's unpack this together, shall we? First things first, if you are a seasoned IT professional already familiar with Microsoft Power Apps Studio, then you are in the right place. However, for those who might be just warming up to the concept or getting back into it after some time away, this deep dive can reignite that spark of creation and unlock some serious power within you and your team. Now, I hear you asking, when do I start? And how do I get from zero to hero? Trust me, I've been down that road. The good news is that customizing a Canvas app is something within reach for everyone, from newcomers to seasoned pros like yourself. There are multiple entry points, and I'm here to guide you through creating, customizing, and troubleshooting Canvas apps, so that when you are done, not only will your apps work like a dream, but they're also scalable and flexible. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started, shall we? We jump right into the thick of it. The Canvas app is just one of the first tabs that greet us in Power Apps Studio. You see the blank canvas awaiting your input, and that's where your artistry begins. The Canvas app modeling interface is the canvas for your digital creation. When you are ready, you can start customizing it by adding new data sources or modifying the ones you have. Don't forget, you can even connect with SharePoint, SQL Server, Microsoft 365, and third-party services. The Canvas app is just rife with potential connections that can drive your organization forward. Now on to the Canvas design itself. This is where your creativity comes to life. As you drag and drop pre-built components, such as text boxes and hyperlinks around the canvas, envision how each serves your business goals. You can style these components to match your branding, and with the rich color options available, you can create an interface that's not only functional but also visually appealing. Remember, the UI and UX should not just look good but also provide an intuitive navigation pathway for users. Making sure that all tabs, controls, and visual elements harmonize well is part of the fun. Oh, before I forget, you can customize the layout of individual records in a list view, making it easier for users to spot exactly what they need. A touch of interactivity can be added, too, via custom shapes, charts, and data charts, which can serve data in a more visual and engaging manner. Imagine presenting sales data through dynamic charts that respond to user interactions or changes. It's not just a gimmick but a way to ensure information is digestible and actionable. Troubleshooting is also a big part of the process, but for the professionals out there, we're talking about advanced troubleshooting. You'll soon encounter scenarios where things go haywire, but fret not. The Troubleshooter toolbar in Power Apps Studio is your go-to problem solver. Through tools like the Run Query and Stop Query buttons, you can investigate and resolve issues that crop up and keep your apps running efficiently. And when all else fails, the View in Debugger option is there for you. It's like having a magnifying glass that lets you see through the app's code and pinpoint exactly where the trouble snakes its way in. Diving into best practices, we've got a ton to cover, and it's important to document your journey and the reasoning behind each design choice. This is because as you iterate over your apps, you are not just fixing, you are innovating, and each tweak holds value for the organization as a whole. Consider the end users at every step. Usability testing is your ally here. After all, A powerful Canvas app is one that empowers its users, not another one. Now, remember, while a Canvas app can work brilliantly when you've reached a plateau, it's good to know when to consider a transformation. Sometimes, a simpler, more robust model app is what's needed to ensure future scalability. It's essential to evaluate your needs regularly to decide on the right tool for the job. The Canvas app may be ideal for quick solutions and prototypes, but think about pivoting to a model app for enterprise-grade stability and support. Ideally, your experience with customizing Canvas apps in Power Apps should now feel like a warm and familiar journey rather than a steep learning curve. Remember, sharing knowledge with your team is just as important as implementing what you've learned. Host some hands-on sessions where you can demonstrate the art of troubleshooting together, ensuring everyone gets the hang of maintaining the apps. At this point in the tutorial, you are up to speed on designing, customizing, and troubleshooting Canvas apps. You've got a good handle on when to use them and when to look into alternatives, and that's what counts. You are ready to embrace the Canvas app experience, not just for yourself but as a guide for your IT professionals to follow, thereby enhancing productivity and, by extension, your business. Now, to cap it off, don't let the learning stop here. Always explore further, delve into advanced customization, and challenge yourself to build new tools that can address more complex business needs. This is an ever-evolving journey that keeps reinforcing your skills and the overall growth of your organization. And remember, if you ever hit a snag down the road or just want to pick up some fresh tips, you've got this community right here. Keep learning and keep creating. Want to stay abreast of the latest in Canvas app customization and Power Apps? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for insights, tips, and stories from the trenches of Power Apps development. Let's keep pushing boundaries and customizing apps that make a bold impact on how businesses operate today, tomorrow, and beyond.